In this recipe, I'm going off the grid, pairing the Italian ingredient by Menù with the real American tradition. Chicken wings. First, I'll be using Menù mushroom cream with a balanced and bold essence of truffle, a convenient product for the quality and versatility it promises to add to your kitchen. I'll be also using our citrus pesto, an almond-based blend with freshly squeezed oranges, olive oil, zest of lemon and grana padano. Let's get started. We are going to mix the buttermilk with the Menù sauce. And then we are going to put the chicken wings in the mixture and toast. Then we are going to put the chicken inside of a bag and vacuum seal it. And put in the fridge overnight. After 8 hours at least of marinating, we are going to slow cook it for 2 hours at 160 degrees Fahrenheit. In the meantime, then the wings are cooking, we are going to prepare some different sauces for our wings. The first one will be really easy. Pomodorina is the best seller of the Menù. This chunky pasta sauce is made with such high quality onions, celery, carrots, fresh basil and vine-ripe tomatoes that not even I can tell the difference between my grandma's recipe from scratch. For the next sauce, we'll be using Menù pear and ginger, a sweet and sour relish made with Williams pear and spicy ginger to uniquely complement your cheese board. But today it will be the base for my Asian sauce. We are going to put a little butter, like a quart of butter, some soy sauce, some red chili flakes, and of course the pear and ginger jam. We just add a little bit of sesame seed and voila! The last sauce we are going to make is with Menù cheese cream, a soft cream blend of 5 top quality DOP cheeses: Emmental, Grana Padano, Taleggio, Fontina and Gorgonzola, melted together with butter. We are gonna need half avocado, heavy cream, Menù cheese cream, salt, black pepper, look good. It's important before to fry it to cool down the product. Then we are going to use a little bit of starch, rice starch, or this is corn starch for example, and a little bit of grated cheese. Then we want it really dry because like that is going to do a really crispy skin when the meat will come out from the bone very easy. There are different ways to do chicken wings. You can bake it, you can deep fry it. In this case I'm going to use the air fryer because it's the kind of cooking that I prefer. Let's do 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Voila! And those are my chicken wings. Buon appetito!